Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video is on how to tongue on the saxophone. So first things first, what is tonguing? Well, tonguing is basically the action of starting and stopping the airflow in your instrument with your tongue, which is creating a cleaner and more controlled sound. For reed instruments, this is done by putting pressure up against the reed and releasing that pressure, which is creating a stop and start in your airflow while you are playing. So here's an example of me playing with tonguing and without tonguing. So first, without tonguing. As you can tell that the notes are separated by quite a bit of space and the notes aren't very clean or controlled. So now with tonguing. As you can tell there that the notes have a much smaller separation and they are more controlled and have a cleaner sound. So the first step in learning how to tongue is to say ta. So just say ta, 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 and just do that over and over until you are comfortable with the motion. Now step 2 is to say ta, but while you're saying ta, you want to be blowing air out. So when you're saying ta, 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 you want to be blowing air out at the same time. It might be difficult at first, but just keep on practicing that until you can do both of those things at the same time. Then the third and final step in learning how to tongue is to practice it on your actual saxophone. So put together your saxophone and put the mouthpiece in your mouth and just say ta while blowing air out, and just keep on practicing that. It's going to feel pretty weird at first, but eventually you will get comfortable with it. So just practice a few minutes a day and eventually you will master the basic tonguing technique. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and comment down below how well you did with today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.